Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today I am going to show you a fun summer tablescape. This video is a collab with Megan from Colorful Megan, and if you haven't heard of her yet, you are missing out. So I'm going to let her introduce herself right now.
Hi everyone, my name is Megan, and over on my channel, Colorful Megan, I do home DIY, holiday, and party stuff, everything to fill your life with more color. And I'm so excited today to be teaming up with Jessica of Casa Magnolia to do this super fun summer DIY tablescape awesomeness. Obviously, I went very heavy on the flamingos. I've even got my flamingo shirt on today. So after you watch her video, I would love it if you hopped over to my channel to watch the DIY put together of this table. And hopefully, if you like what you see, you'll subscribe and stick around. See you there.
This whole tablescape was planned around this tablecloth I found at Ross. I love the lemons and grapefruits. It's traditional, but has a fun element that I thought would really go well and pop with some blue elements. For my centerpiece, I took this trophy shaped planner that I got at Goodwill a couple years ago. It's actually filled with cement at the bottom, so it's really heavy, which is perfect for the windy patio. I'm going to put this potted IKEA plant that you have seen all over my house in the middle as the start of our centerpiece, and I'm just using some navel oranges that I used toothpicks to kind of secure it in there. If you had bamboo skewers or something a little longer, that would definitely make it more stable because mine were a little wobbly, but they turned out. And I just placed about 5 of those randomly throughout the centerpiece. The charger I used is the same that I used in my Easter tablescape. I love the details around the edge, and I think the rustic wood look can really ground the bright pops of white and blue that we're going to have in our dishes. On top of the white dinner plate, I used a smaller blue and white antique plate to add a little bit of color. I love using blue and white plates because it can really give a preppy element that I love. This blue and white wine glass was another score from Ross, and I just added a tumbler that is thick hand-blown glass for some water. I used gold silverware, and these are actually just plastic that I had left over, but they're a little something different than they're just regular silver, and they add a nice fun element to it. And if you wanted to use this tablescape for a summer lunch or brunch, I think it would be so easy for you to do these little table cards. I just used an orange and cut a small slit in the top, and that is where I'm going to secure my table card. I just used some green cardstock to make a little leaf, kind of a leaf, and I wrote our names on it. I think it turned out really cute and fun for the table. I hope you liked seeing how my summer citrus, traditional with a colorful preppy twist table turned out. Thanks again to Colorful Megan for collaborating with me for these tablescapes. I cannot wait for you guys to go over see her video. I think it's going to be awesome, as all of her videos are. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post another video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great start to your summer. Bye, y'all.